iQOO just changed the game. For years, the Z series was the sensible performance pick, but with the new iQOO Z11 Turbo, they aren't playing safe anymore. We're talking a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, 200-megapixel camera, and a battery so big it shouldn't even fit in a phone this thin. Is this the ultimate flagship killer of 2026? Let's dive deep. First, let's talk build. iQOO ditched the plastic. We now have a premium metal frame and a glass back, except for the Midnight Black, which uses a high-tech fiberglass. It's incredibly thin at 7.9 millimeters, yet it's built like a tank with IP68 and IP69 ratings. That means it can survive high-pressure, high-temp water jets. The iQOO Z11 Turbo features a 6.59-inch flat AMOLED display with a 2750x1260 resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It uses TCL's C9 Plus luminescent material and supports 10-bit color, P3 wide color gamut. The panel reaches up to 5,000 nits of local peak brightness while dropping to 1 nit for eye comfort. It supports 4,320 Hz PWM dimming, a 3,200 Hz touch sampling rate, with shot-reinforced glass protection, Eye Comfort 2.0, and an AI-powered sunlight algorithm for better outdoor visibility and reduced eye strain. Under the hood, the phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, paired with iQOO's Q2 gaming chip and Monster Core engine. It combines LPDDR5X Ultra Quad-Channel RAM with UFS 4.1 storage, delivering over 3.59 million points on Antutu. Cooling is handled by the Ice Dome VC system, which claims to reduce core temperatures by up to 15 degrees Celsius. It also integrates the Thunder Z1 signal enhancement chip and an AI gaming signal engine 2.0 for more stable gameplay. The Z11 Turbo runs Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. For photography, the phone comes equipped with a 200-megapixel large sensor main camera with OIS and support for up to 4x lossless zoom. It is paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for wide-angle shots. On the front, a 32-megapixel camera supports wide-angle selfies and can record videos in up to 4K resolution. The Z11 Turbo houses a 7,600 mAh Blue Ocean battery with second-generation semi-solid-state battery technology. It supports 100 watts ultra-fast charging and bypass charging during gaming. iQOO claims stable operation across extreme temperatures from 40 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius. The device includes an ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, X-axis linear motor, and IP68, IP69 rated dust and water resistance. For connectivity, it includes dual 5G SIM, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared remote control. Starting at roughly $335, the iQOO Z11 Turbo is an absolute steal for gamers and power users who hate carrying chargers. It's no longer a budget phone, it's a performance flagship that just happens to be affordable. Would you like me to draft a table comparing the Z11 Turbo to the iQOO 15 or Redmi K90 to see which one gives you more for your money? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.